What is going on, guys? We are coming back at you guys with another great video, and as you guys can see, we got the Fishing Junky right here behind me. He's taking me out to one of the local creeks up here, and we are just gonna do some creek fishing, hopefully for some brown trout, just on some spinners. We'll try a few different baits, see what's going on, but let's get to it. Maybe it's the orange, I don't know, in my spinner too, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Thank God. We got one, guys. Oh my God. Ooh, it's a pretty good one too, dude. Dang. I didn't think it was gonna happen. Shout out to our boy DJ. Jeez.
That's a monster, though.
Dude, that's a monster for this little tiny creek. I'm gonna try to land him as nicely as I can, guys. I don't got my net. Wow. All right, I'm gonna wet my hands. Oh crap. Don't come off. Don't lose him. Oh, I got him. Whew. Get the drone out of here. Whew. Shout out to our boy DJ.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Sure.
All right, guys. Beautiful, beautiful brown trout for this tiny creek. And man, I'm glad we got one. It was getting a little bit questionable if we'd get one. We covered a lot of water. And I think DJ's got to take off here soon, so right on time. All right, well, DJ's gone now, but I'm trying to learn from what he told me. This is a great little backed up pocket right here. We got one. Oh, we got another pretty good one. Oh my God. Guys. Oh my God, guys, we got a freaking tank on. Oh my God, this is a tank. Oh my God. I thought the one that I just caught was a tank. Oh my God. We gotta land this fish. I'm getting in the water. I'm getting in the water, guys. We gotta land this fish. Oh my God. Guys, we gotta land this fish. We gotta land him. Please don't pop off. 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 You're okay, you're okay. You're okay. We got him. Oh my God. Guys, this is gonna be the craziest freaking story ever. Oh My God. I don't know if you guys saw that, but here, I'm gonna get my net out so I can talk about this. Look at that right there. Oh my gosh, shout out to DJ. This is a beautiful brown trout, and I thought the last one was big. This is beautiful. I'm gonna, super quickly, I'm gonna measure this fish, take a few photos, and we're gonna get him out of here. Look at that, guys, and out of a tiny little creek. I'm gonna call that, 16 inches. A little bit over 16 if I pinch the tail. Check that trout out, guys. Beautiful brown trout out of a tiny, tiny creek. Shout out to my boy DJ. Let me know. Ooh, all right, guys, I was so excited right there. I didn't want to keep that fish out of the water too long, so I didn't even get to talk about what happened right there. But that was probably the craziest fish landing I've ever had in my life. I mean, you guys probably saw in the video there, I hope, that I was holding the line kind of panicking because I didn't have my net. The fish was swimming like in between my legs, and it actually got the lure caught on the side wall right here. And the lure came out of its mouth, but I grabbed the fish between my legs. It's the freaking craziest fish landing I've ever had, and on an absolutely beautiful brown trout. I'm so thankful to get that fish landed. Man, let's try to get one more. I don't got a ton of time. It's actually my dad's birthday today, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get out of here. All right, guys, well, I'm back out here. Day 2 of this video, like I said. And I'm really just gonna hit up this first pocket right here and then move up to explore some new ground further up the creek. And really, I'm just gonna wait for our boy DJ and hopefully get on some more fish. Let's get to it. Got one. I'm gonna get my net. I'm getting the net out. Got him. Man, I'm so glad I got my net out. It's an absolutely beautiful brown. I'm gonna get him out of the net. All right, beautiful little brown. Let's get him out of here. Right there, he's right there behind the rock. Awesome. That was one. Oh my God, did you guys see that? That was awesome. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do, but I got him. Beautiful brown trout right there on the blue fox. Beautiful brown trout. I'm gonna get him out of here. Had the camera off, but we just got a little aggressive brown. Get the net out. Man, this is the tiniest one that we've got, but appreciate the aggression. He came out for that thing. Came unhinged. Let's see. Whew. He's in the net. All right, we're gonna get this little dude out of here. Awesome. I take them all. There's definitely got to be a fish back there, but I got to be stealthy. Oh, that's a perfect cast. Ooh, I just got bit. Got one. Nice. Don't die, camera. Wetting my hands. No net land. Beautiful little brown trout. Got to get him out of here before the camera dies. Having major SD errors today. Whew. Thank you, little buddy. There we go. That's a better one. Nice. This is the best one that we've caught in a little while now. Sorry about the skipping the footage. This SD error is really getting to me. Oh, got him. Beautiful. All right, right there on the blue fox. Oh, that's another one. That's another good one, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, 2 in one little pot. Another beautiful brown trout. You know what? I'm not even gonna use the net for this one. I'm just gonna put him up right here along the bank, wet my hands. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna put him in the net. On second thought, I just scooped him. There's a beautiful, beautiful trout right here. Look at that, right in the same area on that chartreuse and orange blue fox spinner. All right, we were just recovering that fish. Beautiful brown. All right, guys, I'm starting to figure this out a little bit. There's definitely got to be a fish right past this tree. There's a inlet from the river right there, pouring into a little cove in the corner. It's all pulling up back there, and it's right next to a protruding point. And typically, every single time I've came across that, there's been fish holding on it. I'm actually gonna try from right here. Kind of a vantage point. Got one. Oh my God. He already beached himself. I'm gonna do no net on this one. He's a little guy. Man, absolutely beautiful. Love the aggression and beautiful, beautiful colors on this fish. All right, it's been a minute since we came up on a pocket, but I think we just found another one. Here comes a fish. What did I just say? Oh man, we got this figured out now. We got them all figured out now. Literally calling our shots now on these fish.
Bro, you're not gonna believe how big this fish is.
What happened?
Look.
Oh my God.
Holy crap, bro.
Goddamn tank.
Tanking it.
Oh my God.
Let me know.
PB. All right, last one. Last chance. There you go. Yes. There's our last one. Yes. Man, guys, it was driving me crazy. We caught a good amount of fish today here on the second day, but I needed to get one more before I could take off here. Man. Greatly appreciated, little guy. Get on out of here. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up another great video for us down here on the channel. And I just want to give a huge shout out to my boy DJ, the Fishing Junky. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description below. But man, check his stuff out. He's got some absolutely killer content. And I know he's going to keep it rolling here over the next few weeks. So definitely check him out. But we definitely appreciate him taking us out here and getting us on some of these brown trout. It was an absolutely great time out there. And in a really tiny creek. I mean, man, I'm gonna take this information and really roll with it here into the future and just start scouting out some creeks here across our state, because there are tons of them. So I hope some of you guys do the same thing as well, and I hope some of you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and please subscribe. As always, I really appreciate all of your guys' constant support. It really means the world. But thank you all so much, and we'll be back with another great video real soon.